Hello, Sunspark community. I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and I wanted to record this video to address one of the questions that I've been getting a lot lately. So, this is about our landing page, our new design, and how the logo that we have right here on the top left behaves. Okay, so I will explain what the problem is and how we can solve it in an easy way. So, as you can see here, if we go here to we go to our settings in global styles, we can have the logo right there. Okay, so even though you can see, of course, that this is very small, and even though I do have the handle for the size at the maximum, it doesn't actually or quite affect how it looks. And of course, I'm just making a very obvious example. You can see that my logo has a background, a white background, and that of course affects how it looks like, but basically because of the margins. Now, you might think, hey, but I do not have a background. It should actually look just fine. But even though PNG files that have no background, logos with no backgrounds, they do still have a margin, and you need to adjust them or you need to crop them correctly so they can look fine. Okay. So if you're in a case where you do not have access to softwares such as probably Photoshop or something similar, where you can just crop it or take out the background very easily, I'll show you two websites here. I'll present two websites that I found just by googling. You can just use whatever you want. But these are the ones that I found, and actually found it very easy to use them. So yeah, let me show you how we can fix this. Okay. So first of all, we're going to remove the background. If you do have a background there, unless you're done with that step, you can of course jump to the next step. But I'll start by uploading the image here. This is the one that I used, and yeah, it's going to process. And let me go to before actually, yep, and after. This is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to download this, and yep, so we got it like margin underscore preview. Okay, so now we're going to I love image, and I'll put the URLs right below so you can of course access them correctly or in a simple way. And we can go here to crop image. So I'll select the image, of course. This is the one we want because now the image has no background. And notice this for the ones that do not, just know about it. So because we have no background here on the folder, it will actually look like with a white background. But actually, we do not have a background. Even if you open it, you'll notice that there's nothing there. So this is not like it's black or white like we see here. It actually has no background, so that's good. Do not worry about that. So back here to let me close it, to our edit section, we're going to adjust this a little bit more. So make sure you can, of course, adjust it in the best possible way so you can take full advantage of the space, okay? So yep, I think that's actually good enough for me. So I'll click on crop image. And as you can see, none of these websites actually ask me to sign up or to install anything strange. So that's very good. I did actually try a few others that were asking me to log in or to put my credentials in for Google. So that's why I like this one. So yep, that's all that we need to do. Here's the one that we need now. So we can go back here, erase this one, upload the one that we just, but take a look at how it looks like on the preview. So you can see that, even with the one, if we compare it with the one that has no background, it actually now looks different, and it's just bigger by looking at the preview right there, right? So let me open it, and I can put it at maximum. I'll save it, of course, and something to notice. So we have been updating the share page, and we will now update the global styles so they it can of course resemble what we see on the landing page. So no worries there. Allow us some time before the team can perform that change, and we will soon do it for you. Okay. Thank you for your patience on that. So let me go ahead here and refresh the page, and there we go. So now it looks better, much better. Okay. So hopefully this was something you were looking for, and probably I answered some of your questions. Please let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. Have a great day. Bye bye.